The system now allows for both modifiers on a category and also item-specific modifiers. So first, let's go over the standard modifier. For beverages, I would select the item, coffee, its size, and then the modifier. As many as I like. And then they're shown on the item. But for specific items, I can also have modifiers that are only for that item on the menu choice. So in the case of bagels, I can have a specific modifier for bagel, and then the other items in this category, or any combination thereof, can have the generic modifier. So let's press bagels. Then I can press the type of bagel, which is cinnamon raisin, and then any other modifiers such as with butter, and then just hit done. So now I have the bagel, what type of bagel, and the modifier. The price is automatically added up based on the selections that I've chosen. Let's see how to set this up. If I go to admin and add items, if I want to add standard modifiers, I must select the extras underscore and then the number of the category it corresponds to. So extra 02 is for the bagel category. Extra 01 is for the coffee or beverages category. If you looked into the inventory file and then looked under extras, you would see that the extra 01 listed here is all for the beverages. Then the extra 02 I have as test item to show you that it can have a modifier other than the custom modifiers. So again, let's go back and look at that. If I went to bagels and I just hit flagel, you'll see that it comes up with test item, which is the standard modifier for the category. But if I went back to bagel, it's the custom modifier. Let's look how to set up a custom modifier. First, you must go to the inventory file. Find the item that you wish to make a custom modifier for. In this case, it's bagels, and the item is bagel. The item number is 994. Write that down. So you're going to create a category of 994 to create the custom modifier. You would go into inventory, add sales items. Under the default categories, you can enter in 994 as shown in this example. And then when I enter in new items, create multiple items, notice that it says 994. This is another modifier for the bagels. It could be something like any of the specific cream cheese spread types. And then I can hit save. Now when I go back to bagels, see how it says another modifier for bagels, cream cheese spreads. They've been added to this list, and so on. You can also define the section labels inside of the inventory file as well. If you went back to inventory and you went to the 994, notice that it says subcategory bagels, subcategory spreads. So again, it's reading off of this to be anything you like. The password is VSPOS. Upper or lowercase does not matter. VSPOS. No, I didn't do that right, but you get the idea that you can change the section labels that way. So we've gone over now. You can simply set up any item as a standard item in the listing, or a custom modifier for any specific item, or the modifiers based on a category. The modifier field has also been expanded to 35 items, so you should have more than sufficient space to do that. Thank you.